Hey everybody, just going to be making something quick, easy, breakfast on the go. If you have no time to cook, you can't be bothered, you're not a breakfast person. These are small portions and they're gluten-free, they're fat, well they got a bit of fat, but that's alright. No sugar. There's cheese, I've diced it all up for you to look. There's some sweet yellow onions, marble cheddar cheese, some green peppers. I was going to put red and yellow bell peppers in, but they're way too fucking expensive. Diced up tomatoes, there's that. I baked up some chunked up bacon, just for serious flavor, and I love bacon. And then you got your muffin tin, so instead of making it like an omelet where you gotta get all fancy, you can make like a dozen of these. You can freeze them, they freeze really well. Or just put them in a sealed tin in your fridge or jar thing in your fridge. And then as you're running out the door, grab one. You can eat them cold. They taste good cold. You can microwave them and they'll have cheese and all that stuff. You can add some maybe Boursin cheese or some sour cream, whatever you want. So what we do, I NutriBulleted a dozen eggs. I used medium eggs because I'm putting so much stuff in each muffin. So a large egg or extra large egg would overflow it when it cooks. It's probably going to overflow a little bit anyways, but yeah, what the hell. So anyways, I added a little bit of salt, I added a little bit of garlic powder, and I added a little black pepper into the egg that I whipped up in the NutriBullet, just to make it easy. So what I'll do is I'll start adding stuff first. Each one of these muffins, egg muffins, is going to get 3 chunks of cheese, which is about 2/3 of an ounce of cheddar cheese. You can add pretty much whatever you want. And so I'm going to start with onions. I like onions. I love onions. I can't add too much because I work closely with people. And I don't want them gagging when I breathe on them. This is all good. Just keep throwing it all in there till each one has got whatever amount that you like. You can put more of one thing, less of the other, however, whatever appeals to you. Or whatever you want to kill somebody with. And we'll do the tomatoes. I love tomatoes. What I did with the tomatoes when I diced them up, I shook all of the liquid out, or most of the liquid out, like not the seed, like the seeds are still in it, but you don't want too much liquid in, otherwise you'll have a runny muffin when you bite into it. Then you'll end up by having to come home and change your uniform. And as you can see, I'm still in uniform. And that's about good. And then the green peppers. I wish I could have got some yellow peppers. Some people like hot peppers. I can't handle hot. I barely survive with black pepper. This is good. Oh, let's not pulling the muffin apart and landing up by wearing it. That's like leftover wine. No such thing. Okay, cheese. See, we're getting full. That's why I use the medium eggs. There we go. There we go. Oh, we have, oh, let's get rid of it. Well, these are going to be so good. And I take them for lunch and at work, and they work out perfect. Oh, my towel. Sorry. Close the egg. Just a little bit. I've preheated the oven to 350. One of these only got 2 chunks of cheese. Oh, that's why. Bacon is good. Oil in the bottom of the pan. Cheers.